In front of me is SONY Xperia XA2, and today I would like to show you how you can change size of your icon. You need to start by holding your device's screen. After that, select Settings at the bottom left corner. Now scroll down. Click on Icon Size and tap on the best option from the list of available ones, small or default. I will go with small, so when I click and go back, as you can see, size of my icons has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!